I've always done well in science and mathematics classes, and engineering is kind of like a combination of both those subjects. Manufacturing is pretty hands-on. That's something I'm excited to experience.
Kind of like a girl's thing, you know. It's not really that common, and I have the opportunity to do it, so why not? I have loved it since the moment I first tried it. Absolutely do it. It is very worth it.
I like the wide variety of jobs that I could go into with a degree in manufacturing. Today we got to talk to like several different plants and manufacturers located near here, and even in that room there was 7 different companies all creating different things.
I think that would be the best choice they could make. While I do like the other technical programs, there's a huge demand for machining. There's a good job demand and not a whole lot of people feeding into that, so they can get a really good job right out of school and even before they graduate.
I see a lot of my students go from maybe kind of on the lower end of the income scale, you know, when they come into my class, and they leave here, you know, kind of towards the upper end of that.
Faculty in the School of Business and Industry have anywhere from 10 to 20 years in the field, and they don't just stop pursuing that field once they come on board as our faculty members. They're still very closely connected to industry. From day one, all of our faculty know that the reason our students in the business and industry school are there is to get jobs. And so they are focused on connecting students with potential employers from almost the very first day.
We're based in Southwest Virginia, and that's where we want to recruit from. And we are we do jobs for people all over. Our parts travel all over the country, and I think it's important to get the word out that Southwest Virginia has a manufacturing footprint in the country.
The opportunity in manufacturing is great for young people. That you know, the technical skills or the manufacturing skills today. It doesn't always have to be a collegiate program coming out of high school or some of these tech centers. There's a great opportunity to provide for yourself and your family and do really well.
We talk a lot in this building about opportunities. We may give you the opportunity, but what you do with that opportunity is really what matters. Today was very special because this was a unique opportunity for a lot of our students.